Hi everyone. I hope you are having a great holiday, Columbus Day weekend. This is Monday evening and I'm recording this to you guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I know I did. Just wanted to send you your weekly sneak peek at what we're going to be doing this week. It's going to be kind of a short week, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But we're also going to be doing some items that are very important to get you ready for your report card. So today or tomorrow, I want everyone to make sure that you are checking your grades. You need to have an 80 and above so that you can be passing all of your subjects. For me, you just need to be passing ELAR and social studies, okay? So what are we going to be doing this week? Well, we have all week, but we're going to be doing a couple of things a little differently. So tomorrow is the 11th, and we're going to have regular class, okay? So you'll see an English language arts class for me, and you'll see probably math and science, and also our writers and readers workshop in the afternoon. So that won't be anything different. You're still going to have your same class kicks for Wednesday and Thursday, except that when you come, I'm going to have you check in, and if you have all A's and B's in all subjects, then you'll get a chance to play some games and do some enrichment activities. It'll be a lot of fun. So I want you all to work towards that goal, right? So if you're on the edge and you have a 70, 75, 76, I need for you to go back in to your OLS and let's see if we can raise your grade. I'm also going to be reviewing with you the writing personal narrative rubric, like how am I going to grade you? So you'll be able to see that on Tuesday as well. We're also going to be talking about a couple of vocabulary words, and we're going to start giving these to you a little earlier, okay? So if you'll go ahead and write these down in your journal. The first one is conflict. The second one is resolution and plot. And we're going to talk about how all of these words can connect in a story. So be thinking about your favorite childhood story or a favorite book that you just finished, or maybe a book that Miss Jennings has read to you, or maybe something you've seen in OLS. And you're going to think about, what was the conflict? What was the resolution? Like, how did they solve the problem? And then how did that affect the plot? Was the climax really good? Did the climax and the plot mean that something happened with the conflict and resolution? How do all these three words connect? I didn't put characters down here because the characters are a given, right? The characters always are involved. They're involved with the conflict. There's a bad guy, good guy, and then there's always a resolution, and then the plot. So where does the conflict happen? Where in the plot mountain? The other question is, where does the resolution happen on the plot mountain? Remember, you all have 2 plot mountains in your journals, so you should be able to go back and look at that and see where the conflict and the resolution and how that all corresponds with the plot. And also how the characters are engaged with all of those terms. So be thinking about that, and also go ahead and look up in the dictionary conflict, look up in the dictionary resolution, and look up in the dictionary plot. And then if you want to, you can come up with your own definition for those 3. Conflict, resolution, and plot. Okay? The other things we're going to be doing this week is we're going to be getting you caught up in your OLS. So you'll be in breakout rooms on Wednesday and Thursday. And the rest of you will be doing other types of work. So we're all going to stay busy, and we need to have a very high attendance for this week as well. So please come to everything that says required. Also, I'll have a few things for you in your OLS and a few things maybe in Class Kick to help you practice, okay? If you have any questions, please know that you can always reach me in the messages section of your OLS page. It's on the left-hand side. I reserve the right to have 24 hours to talk to you back. So if I don't see it right away in the morning, then I will see it before the end of the day on that day, okay? You can also ask me in class, All right. And did you know on Class Kick that when you are working on Class Kick, you can send me a audio message, or you can click in the type tool and write me a little message on there too. And it's just between you and me. If you ever have a question about your Class Kick, you can always write to me, and you can always send me an audio message since we're on Class Kick every day, right? Make sure that you check all of your OLS and that you have everything that's due on the due date. I had a couple of things for the 11th just because it got kicked off for some reason. We fixed all that on Friday. We also have a new group that's going to be joining us for our classes, both on the Monday and Tuesday classes. And so look forward to that, to meeting some new friends, because we received some of Miss Bruin's class, and now your math teacher is Miss Lauren Johnston, and we have some of her friends as well. So we have some new friends, and we have the regular friends, and so I know you guys will do a great job in breakout rooms getting to know everybody. Anyway, just wanted to say hello and welcome you back to a really good week. And one last thing before I leave, before I shut down, I wanted to tell you also that we're going to be doing our formatives this week as well, and it's going to be in what used to be called USA Test Prep. You remember USA Test Prep? Well, this year they call it Progress Learning, and so that's what we're going to be doing some of our formatives in, and that will be on Wednesday and Thursday of this week too. But I'll keep you guys up to date on everything, I promise. And thank you for having so much grace when it comes to this newsletter. I'm working on it really, really hard. I think I'm making it harder than it is, but I want it to be special for you guys because I know that it's fun to get a newsletter and look for new stuff. Anyway, hope you guys had a great weekend. I look so forward to seeing you on Tuesday, and you guys have a good evening. Thank you. Bye.